That legislative work group did an exhaustive study on elections, on judicial elections. One of the more controversial recommendations calls for eliminating or abolishing these types of contested races. While many voters know who they like in races, such as the presidency or U.S. Senate, bottom ballot contests can be confusing, especially when it comes to picking judges. Voters often have no clue to the judge's track record, background, or possible disciplinary actions taken.
We don't know. That's the problem. We don't know. There's no advertisement out there for judges and anything. I just voted today, and I didn't know none of the judges on there, so I just left it blank.
Ask well-informed colleagues and friends about their sense of those folks.
But generally speaking, isn't it a difficult thing to do?
Yes, I usually either, if they're uncontested, I just leave it blank, or I vote for those that are there.
Following 2 years of study, a legislative work group is recommending the state do away with contested elections for circuit court judges. The committee advises instead of running for a re-election every 15 years, voters would simply decide yes or no every 10 years on whether to keep a judge on the bench.
I did a little bit of research online, and everything I saw said that the judges were qualified, so I voted for all the judges today.
Under the current system, judicial nominating commissions are set up throughout the state. They vet nominees, then submit a slate of names to the governor's office. The initial appointment lasts 15 years. The work group cites potential conflict of interests in judicial campaigns, writing, "The fact that judges are raising money from lawyers who will seek favorable rulings from the judges raises fair concerns about judicial independence." The report also mentions judicial safety around public campaigning. Hagerstown Circuit Court Judge Andrew Wilkinson was shot to death by someone who didn't like the ruling in his case. The work group writes, "Judges running in a contested election must make very difficult choices between effective campaigning and undertaking precautionary measures." Voters still, however, want more information about a judge's background.
They should provide information, and they should provide what the track records are, because we don't know these judges.
Any change will be up to voters to consider as a referendum question to change the state constitution. Now, this report can be found on the WBAL TV app. Reporting live from North Baltimore, David Collins, WBAL TV 11 News.